Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for crispy fried beef and eggplant. Here are the ingredients: beef, eggplants, green scallions, flour, cornstarch, salt, black pepper. First, place the clean ½ pound of thinly sliced beef. Separate each slice. Sprinkle salt and black pepper over the beef. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of flour. Then mix with your clean hands and set it aside. Heat canola oil in a pan and fry the eggplant slices. Set them aside. Add a little oil to the pan and fry the thinly sliced beef coated with cornstarch and flour over medium heat for 3 minutes. Then plate the beef. I tasted the beef to check if it's crunchy. You will hear the crunch while I'm eating it. Enjoy. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.